Hello Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 26th of October. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner and tarot reader. Scorpio, your channel message is none other than July 11 baddie. Put your lighters up. Put your lighters up. Shine down. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and continue reading. Hi, oh my god. Who we're doing Scorpio, the dead. The skeleton, you already know, the dead comes alive. That's your stories. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Now, little Kim is born July the 11th. She's a number 2, but she's also a master number 11. So I don't know, I'm getting little Kim, okay? Damn, little Kim have 1 kid. Damn, little Kim. Sweetie, you're doing better than a lot of girls in Hollywood, I'll tell you that. Yeah, she was born Kimberly Denise Jones, born July 11th, okay? Better known as Little Kim. So I'm getting something about July 11, baby. I'm sorry, she's a Cancer. She's not a Leo. Yeah, she's a Cancer. Something about a Cancer, Little Kim. I don't know if she'll deal with Cancer, but I'm getting something about Cancer. Something about 2, okay? Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Scorpio, the dead. I don't know what relationship you have with a Scorpio, but something about she and a Scorpio. Let's go. Let's get your reading. I'm sorry. Are you ready for love? Let's see. This is your love is real reading. Are you ready for love? We have the King of Wands. I'm getting you are. I'm getting on the love that you're ready for is willing to devour you and protect you as well. Okay, I'm getting an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius man. I'm getting you ready. There's something this man don't like though. I know if somebody don't like your ex. I'm kind of getting jealousy off of this man already. I don't know why I'm getting him jealous. Anyways. How will you meet him? So I'm getting you make the first move, maybe you inbox him, you meet him. This could be a new guy you with, but your ex-man I watch you every day. I'm getting you meet somebody outside, or you're going to be at an event. I'm getting you make the first move though. Scorpio, you're attending to the guy first. You see the guy at a party, you're gonna offer him a drink. I'm getting you to go up there and introduce yourself to this person, okay? What's the characteristics, the devil card, industry? I'm getting a Capricorn is the characteristics, I'm getting industry is the characteristics, I'm getting codependency, and I'm also getting, I'm getting obsession at first sight, or obsession at first sex. It could be an industry man, I'm getting a Capricorn man. Or something about one man who you're there with him is a Capricorn, or I mean he's a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I'm getting a can't leg off of the man, or the man won't leave you the fuck alone for some reason. Was Little Kim with Biggie? I'm getting you a dream about Biggie. You dream about him? I'm getting you having dreams about him. Like him I tell you something in your dream, but it choppy. Like the signal, like the transmission I get cut. I'm getting you a dream about Biggie or something like that. Me getting the characteristics of the person in an industry. So the person been doing industry shit, or the person know all of the secrets, or me getting somebody know your secret. I don't know if somebody try to blackmail you, but me getting somebody, I'm not saying evil, but somebody is not one to be played with. A man, yeah. Me getting you know that that's why you make the first move. You're making him know that, listen, I am no threat. Or something like that. What will the relationship teach you? The high priestess is going to teach you to trust your instinct, trust your intuition. Maybe you're picking up things like extraterrestrial things, looking for guidance. Maybe religion not giving a help. Maybe psychology and going to a psychologist not giving a help. Maybe you're looking to tarot for answers now. Because the tarot deals with the devil. The tarot knows when the devil is near. Did you ever do anything that exchanged the blood with any one of your loved ones? I'm getting something significant. I don't know if you did have sex with Biggie on your period. I'm getting something about blood was exchanged with this person who can't leave you the fuck alone. Something about blood. That's what it's telling me. I'm getting that's why you're buying to them. Something about blood. It could be a blood contract. It could be industry. You know, industry when they make a signing name in a blood. It could be something like that. But I'm getting it a teacher for trust. It's a teacher for rely on your instincts. It's a teacher say, listen, sometimes people connected to you. Because I'm getting Lil Kim is a very, very spiritual woman. I'm getting she very spiritual. Or I'm getting Lil Kim, somebody use mirror magic on you. I'm getting you know like for looking in the mirror, you know like for look on yourself when you finish performing. I'm getting somebody you said they with, them use mirror magic on you. Because I'm getting you cannot see how you look. You know how you look, but you cannot see how you look. Or how you're looking at the photos and videos, you look by yourself and say, that's not how I look. I'm getting somebody use some type of magic on you. Something about your face, them did something to your face. So this is either true love coming in, but me getting it feel familiar, or me getting I cannot move on fully because of the fact that you keep a dream about this man where you used to be with. Me getting a man now let you go. Him going let you the fuck go today. Him going let you the fuck go today. Also, if you can't sleep with light, you know the changing light them, the light will change from red to blue to green to sleep with that and see if the dream change. Me getting somebody who dead or somebody one evil blood clot man or one man who in the industry where you know before him dead, him want to tell you. Me getting you need to tell you something. But you have to under the right brain frequency to hear it. Something like that, okay? But me getting Capricorn. If Lil Kim is a Cancer, Capricorn is our match, which would be the father, which is the... Me getting something about one Capricorn man. I don't know if this is her, but something about this Capricorn. Or I don't know if you tell somebody about this high priestess. Something like that. We have the Empress. We have the Tower. I hear something dangerous. I hear that's dangerous or something dangerous. I was innocent. We have Shark. And we got bright future. I'm gonna leave it here, Scorpio, until next time. Bye.